DNA. What is DNA? How does it work? And what's the history behind it? A work made by Nicola Campari, Martina Padilla, Bruschi Leonardo e Margherita Morelli. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule. What is a molecule? A bunch of atoms stuck together. In this case, these atoms are combined like a spiraling ladder. What's the history behind DNA? Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wallace tried to take an X-ray picture of DNA, like a radiography. These two scientists were successful and took an X-ray pattern of DNA. This pattern looked like a ladder, and they found that DNA had an helix shape. In 1953, other two scientists called Watson and Crick were trying to create a model of DNA. They looked at Franklin and Wallace picture and create their own model. What is DNA? Like film says, like Jurassic Park or Heard by Friends, DNA is a blueprint or a recipe. But how can it act as a blueprint for something like a cat, a tree, a human, or a T-Rex? For answering these questions, let's talk about amino acids. Amino acids are 20, and each with an own shape. They're like little chemicals. The important things is that they can attach together like Legos and produce a lot of particles called proteins. Amino acids attach together and make proteins. These proteins are combined and make living cells, cells with a nucleus. We are made of cells, and this is a lot important. Tissues work together and make organs. Our organs, like our stomach or our heart, even our brain, form us. We can be a cat or a human. But how DNA can interact with amino acids? DNA is coiled up and it is contained in the nucleus of the cell. It's a really small part of the cell, but it's a lot important. To interact with the cytoplasm, where amino acid lives, we have RNA. RNA is a little copy of DNA, and it goes through the nucleus and then in ribosomes, where amino acids are combined in proteins.